How to turn on tips on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on tips on Twitter. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now first thing to do is open up your Twitter. When you open up your Twitter guys, at the left corner here, click on your profile picture, click on profile, then click on edit profile. Now that, scroll up. When you get to this page, scroll up. At the last option there is tips. Just go ahead and click on tips. When you click on tips guys, you can see under the tips we have allow tips. Allow people to directly send you money through tips. Now for you to turn it on, you can just go ahead and toggle on the button at the front here. Then a message will pop up. Get cash instantly from your followers on Twitter. You can just go ahead, scroll up, then you agree to all the policy there. You click on agree. Now you've turned it on. So guys, that is how to turn on tips on Twitter. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.